Good day, guys. In this video, I'll be showing us, like I promised earlier, how to secure profits, how to how to make deposits, how to move stop loss to break even, that is BE, and how to deposit using P2P. Now, let me start. I will start from how to deposit these two deposits to deposit using P2P and to deposit from one exchange to another. So this is an account of $32, and I want to deposit funds. So let's say probably I want to deposit more. So I will move. The first thing you're going to do is you go to funding. When you go to funding, you see deposits. You click on deposits. Now, when you look at this, you see deposits with Naira, P2P, deposit. If you want to deposit to crypto from one cryptocurrency to another, you go to deposit crypto. Then you go to USDT. When you see USDT, you will see your address. You copy your address, then you move to your exchange that you want to deposit from. You make sure that it is TLC20, which is the network is TLC20. Don't make the mistake. If you make the mistake, your money is gone. Then you go to the exchange that you want to deposit from. You click on withdraw. When you go to withdraw, then you click on USDT, then TRC20, which is network. You input your address there, then the amount you want to deposit, then you transfer. So that's how to deposit from one exchange to another. This is your address. If someone asks for your address, this is your address. So now, but if you want to deposit with P2P, then you click on P2P trading down here. When you click on P2P trading, you want to deposit to this account. That means you want to buy cryptocurrency from with your local currency. Now you will click on, let's say you click on one of the, now just make sure that you know that all these people have their limits. Like they have the range of cryptocurrency they sell. Some don't sell $50, so you can search for, this is in Nigeria currency. This is in Nigeria currency. You can change your currency anywhere. This is Nigeria currency. Let's say you want to deposit $50, which is equivalent to around 50,000 naira. Then you click on, you say 50,000 naira. Are you following? Now then you click on confirm. Do you see they changed the people that, these are the people that sell within that range. Then you click on one of them. When you click on one of them, your 30 completed order are less than $50. Okay, let me change let me change it to $30 or $20. Let me change to $20, which is equivalent to 20,000 naira, which is equivalent to around $20. And these are the people that sell within that range. Let me click on one of them. Select another ad. What's on to all these people? Okay. Now, let's say I want to buy from this guy here. I clicked on it, then Max. This person sells, this is the amount of money this is the amount of cryptocurrency this person sells. So let's say I want to buy 50, let's say I want to buy 5,000 worth of, okay, let's say I want to buy worth of 50,000 naira. Now if you any amount you write here, it will show the equivalent of this amount down here. So you already see it that it is 50,000 naira is equivalent to 47.5764 USDT. Then you click on buy, and you wait for, when you click on buy, that means you've placed the P2P trade. You are trading, like you want to buy then sell. Still, this is also another trading which people make money from. They buy cryptocurrency when it is low, and they sell when it is high, and they get their own profit. So when you buy from the person, the person's account number will be there. You send the money to the person's account. their exact amount, and when you send the money to the person's account, the person will release the cryptocurrency. They can't take your money. When the person, that money, no, Bybit is the middleman. So they are the ones standing between the buyer and the seller. If that person didn't send that cryptocurrency, they won't release. Bybit will not release that money to the person. Okay, no, sorry. The money will be sent to the person's account, but the person's account is at stake. If the person didn't release the money, you can send an appeal, and the person's account will be destroyed, which the person would not. So the money, the person will make sure the person send the cryptocurrency. That is that about depositing. Let's move straight to placing trade with my signals. Now I sent a signal to the group this morning. Um, GFT USDT short. Now, short means you are selling, and buy means you are long means you are buying. Like I say long, I can say short. When I say short, it means you want to sell, and when I say buy, when I say long, it means you want to buy. Now this is in entry. The entry is in limit order, and I said, but this for this particular I said limit order or market order. Then the stop loss means the SL means stop loss, and the TP means take profit. Now you move back to your video, the your account. Then this is in GFT. Let's assume that it's not in GFT, it was in BTC. So when you move from your assets to derivative, you see BTC. Okay, you just click on this place, this right corner here. Then you see BTC. Then you search for the currency, the crypto you want to trade, GFT. Then you click on GFT. When you click on GFT, you can just press short, then it will bring you to this place. Now you want to trade in limit order. We are with all what you're having 5 things here, but what we are concerned with is limit or market order. So let's click on limit order now. When you click on limit order, how much we are having? 0.5098, right? 0. 0.5098, which is in limit order. Then let's say we are using 50% of our capital. You are using 50% of $32. That is about if you do your maths, that is $16. If you are using all, you draw it finished. Yes, you understand. So you draw it to the end, that is to the 100%. Not this 50%, 75%, 100%. Now next thing you want to do is you click on the take profit stop loss. The take profit stop loss, what's our TP? Yeah, 0.5002, right? Then before you do anything, look at the signal I gave you. I said short. So before you do anything, when you move to this place, you move to short. If it is long, you leave it in long. If it's short, you move to short. Then 0.5002, right? 0.5002. Now if the signal move as planned, your profit here will be $14, which is 47% of the capital used to trade, of your margin. So margin is also capital, but when you are trading, the amount you are using to trade is your margin. So $14 is how much of your return. Then stop when you set your stop loss, 0.5116. 0.5116. In this trade, you are going to lose $2, which is 8%, and you are going to gain $14 if it moves as planned. Sure, you understand? Or if it moves against, you are going to lose $2. Then you click on confirm. It's bringing you back to this place. If you look at this place, you see that trigger take profit is already set. Then you press sell since you are selling, then confirm. Now it will not be in position, it will be in order because it is a limit order. All right, it is in limit order, so it will be in order. Then if is in market order, it will move straight, or maybe if it triggers, you will see it in position. Now that's how to place a trade using my signal here. So that is in limit order. But if it is in market order, let me cancel this trade. Let me cancel. When you want to cancel, you can press cancel here. If you are no longer interested in the trade, you can just click on cancel. Now I want to place this trade in market order. I move to market order. So the quantity, let's say, let me use 25% of my capital, then take profit stop loss. Our take profit is what again? 0.002, right? 0.5002. That is our, sorry, short. Yeah, don't make the mistake, please. 5002. Oh, we can't use what? We are going to be predicting amount. Now you can't judge with market order. Now you can't judge with market order because we're having 0.01666 here, and you're having the market. Okay, the take profit here is 0.5, 0.51. So you can't use. So let us assume. Let's look at the chart. Let me look at the chart. We're having 0. So let me just predict that it's still going to sell more. So let's say you are using 25% of our capital, right? Set take profit stop loss. It is in, look at this place, 0.01664. This is not an ideal way of trading, but I just want to show this so that you can understand how to place a trade with markets on market order. Now let me assume 0. Since it is coming down, let me say my take profit is 0.0, let me use 15000. Sorry, short, 0.015000. So I'll be getting 19 order if it goes as planned. Then my stop loss will be above this market price. So we'll be having 0.01. This an assumption just to show how to place a trade with my second. So if it moves to in the so if it moves to 0.1700, I'll be losing $4. And if it moves to 0. What did I choose at that time? Okay, 0. Uh 0.1566, I'll be making $11. I'm losing $4. So let's see, let me place this trade. I want to risk this just because of this video. Confirm, then sell, right? Now if you look at it, it is already in order and position. Is in position. When you look at it, this is what we are having. We're already on the trade. Now we're already on this trade. Now if I say move your stop loss to break even, like I said in this, move your stop loss to break even, or if I tell you take partials, move your stop loss to break even, or if I tell you partials. Now if this trade is already giving us profits, we can easily, this I can only tell you move your stop loss to break even if you're already seeing profits here. You are in loss minus 1.45%. But if I say move your stop loss to break even, what I'm trying to tell you is that you set your stop loss. You see set stop loss here, you click on it, then you will now move the market price. This only applies, I will only tell you when you're already in profit. Now the market price 0.01667, you move your stop loss here to 0.1. 667. With that, you already break even. Now if you look at it, 0.0167. This is only when you are in profit that you can do this. So 0.01667, you'll be saying 0%, 0%. That means you are not losing any money, you are not gaining any money. So you are still on the trade, but you are not losing, you are not gaining any money. You understand? So that's the reason why we say that. The reason why we say that is because um in on trade, on we can't predict that the trade will go 100% of the signals we give you. So we can also, well, we can only tell you that if that is part of the risk management, because risk management is very essential in trading. You must make sure you manage your risk. You must make sure you manage your risk. So if you want to lose any money, we will tell you, maybe probably you're earning 24% or 30% of I mean the realized PNL, 20% or 30% or 50%. I can tell you, move your stop loss to break even. If I tell you take partials, you go to close buy. If I tell you take partials, you go to close buy. I can tell you take partials 50% of your capital. So you can just click on 50% here. So the 50%, let's say you're already having profit of $50. If you click on 50%, then you confirm, that means you are securing part of your profit. Well, but if you are in profit already, I always tell you to move your stop loss to break even. So make sure you watch this video carefully and understand. So that I will leave this video. I will leave this signal, since it is still valid. I'll leave it to move as it wants to move. Then you know I'll be holding some classes soon to know how to place a trade. Looking at this signal here, you can see head and shoulder. You can see head and shoulder, and you should know that this trade is still going down. Yeah, see, this is the head here. This is the shoulder. This is the shoulder. You can know this trade is going down more. When you look at candlestick, when you understand candlesticks, you know how trade has been made. So thank you very much for. Make sure you watch the video carefully.